Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is... And today we're going to be doing a demonstration on how to draw a... Okay, shall we get started?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so first of all, about here in the page, yeah, we're just going to draw a straight line down like that. Can you see that? Okay, and then from here, I'm going to go round like that and across like that. And this is going to be the middle of the rose. And then from here, I'm going to join that up to there like that. Okay, and then we're kind of almost going to do like a butterfly shape now. So starting in the middle here, I'm going to do a loop round like that. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same. And then I'm going to do... That's it. And then on this side, I'm going to do another one. And then I'm going to do another loop round and join up to this pointy bit here. So round like that, and round like that.
Butterfly.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a butterfly. Now from here, I'm going to do another straight line down, and then I'm going to just curl it out a little bit. So following that line, and then curl it out like that. Okay, and then I'm going to join this up round. So I'm going to go round like that. So we've got like a half a circle.
Done.
Yeah, and then I'm going to do the same on this side, like that. Okay, so that's the inner part of the flower.
Isn't it overlapping?
No, these are the two petals in the middle, okay?
Yeah, but that one's overlapping.
Don't worry, it's alright, okay? Now let's do the outer petals. So just here, I'm going to do a curve going in like that. And on this side, I'm going to do a curve going in like that. So like overlapping, those are the petals that are behind the middle of the flower. So we can't see all of those petals. This one, what I'm going to do is it's kind of a curve, but there's going to be a spiky bit in the middle. So I'm going to do a curve, and then I'm going to go flick out to do a spike, and then back in like that.
I always do that, so I know how you do one.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're very professional, aren't you? So we're going to do another one like that there. And then we're going to do another two at the bottom, so we go like that. And then I'm going to do like that. Okay, now the flowers, the petals on the outside sort of curl up a little bit. So if I do a line like that, it kind of shows that the petals curling up. Yeah, I'll do the same this way. And the same that way. Okay, and I'll do another one but slightly skinnier on that side and that side. And for these ones which are hidden, I'm just going to do a line like that and a line like that. That's really cool. Okay, so let's get our green. Okay. So we're going to do the leaves now, and kind of what we're going to do is we're going to do like an X. So starting here, I'm going to do a line going off that way, and a line going off that way, and then from here, let's follow, imagine where that line would be. I'm going to do another line that way. I'm going to do the same line here, so I'm going to go okay. And then from this central line, we're going to do diagonal lines coming out, but they're going to be longer, and as we travel up this line, they're going to be shorter. So, like that. Like that. Kind of a bit like a Christmas tree.
a leaf pad.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do the same here. And here. Okay, let's do the same. Okay, that's great. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to do little curved lines connecting. So we're going to loop, loop, like that, and then when we get to the tip, we're kind of going to do like a point at the end, like that. That's great. Fantastic, so we've got our leaves. Now we kind of need to do our stem. So,
Stem.
the stem,
Oh.
yeah? So where's the flower growing? It's going to grow up, isn't it? Yeah?
All the way down.
Yeah, so, well, you can make it as long as you like. I'm going to start off with a sort of backwards S shape like that. Okay, and then I'm following this line. I'm going to go a loop like that.
Because it's spiked.
Yeah, it is spiky, that's right. And then I'm going to do a straight line in like that. And then I'm going to go around like that. And I'm going to do a curved line that way. And then another straight line that way. And then I'm going to join that up like that. And I'm going to do on the other side, just here. Follow that like that again. Another straight line, follow along like that. Should do another little curve like that. Straight line in, and then another one like that. So you've got a big, thick,
Yeah, but it's not
spiky step. No, it's perfect. What's wrong with that?
Oh, the line.
Yeah, that line is to guide us, but it also shows that there's sort of like twists and knots. It's fine. It looks good. Next thing to do is we're going to do like a few little tendrils coming out because roses like to climb up things. Well, they're kind of like little hooks that the plant makes to help it climb up things, yeah? So they send out little wiggly bits. Okay, so we'll do some little wiggly bits just coming out there. Okay. Looking good. So now it's time to colour it in.
Oh.
Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That's fantastic. Really good work. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. If you're enjoying what we're doing, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We'd also like to announce a competition where you could win this amazing book on
How to draw realistic animals.
all you have to do is send in your drawings to our Facebook page, Magic Pencil Art for Kids. And our panel of experts will pick the best picture and then you'll win this amazing book.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed our
Goodbye.
tutorial and we look
Goodbye.
forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.